Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Screenflow 10. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to gather a Screenflow Diagnostics Report that you can upload to the technical support team at Telestream if you are having trouble with your Screenflow application. For example, maybe Screenflow is crashing all the time and the technical support team requested a diagnostics report. This is how to do it. To gather support diagnostics in Screenflow 10, and this will also work in earlier versions of Screenflow. Go up to the Help menu. If I click on the Help menu right now, you will see these options. But if I hold the Shift key first, so I'm holding the Shift key, and now I'm going to click on the Help menu. Now you will see these additional options right here. They're related to troubleshooting. I'm going to choose this option right here, Gather Support Diagnostics. So when I click this, take a second to read it, but it is basically going to generate a report that you can then upload to the Telestream technical support team. And when you're ready, just click on the Gather button. And as you can see here, this process can take up to 2 minutes or so to complete. And when it's done, it will place a zip file on your desktop. And there is the Screenflow Diagnostics zip file saved to my desktop. If I double click on it, it will unzip it. So if you just want to see what's in the folder and just what the name implies, all of this information will help the technical support team diagnose any issues. So the recap: to gather a support diagnostics report and access the secret help menu, press the Shift key on your keyboard, go up to the top menu, click on the Help menu, select Support Diagnostics, then click on Gather. My name is Mike Murphy. That is your quick tip in Screenflow 10. Cheers.